Gahey and Associates, attorneys and counselors at law. For all of your immigration matters, call 1-877-GAHEY-LAW for a free personal consultation. 1-877-GAHEY-LAW.
Hello viewers, this is attorney Naresh Gahey. Today's show is going to be a little different because we have a live client with you. A client who applied for political asylum in the United States and who had a very difficult case. The attorneys from Gahey and Associates fought this case before the immigration court in New York, and my client has been successful and he has been granted asylum by the immigration court in New York. So you're having a live client who's going to talk about what we did for him and how he feels today after seeing literally everything. Even he was detained by immigration, you were in jail for some time.
Yeah.
Then after that he came out, we got him out, and after that we our firm did litigate this case, and we actually fought this case under section 208 of the Immigration and Nationality Act, wherein a person who fears persecution because of his race or because of his religion or because of his membership in a social group or because of his political opinion, we can apply for political asylum. And this was one such case which our firm took up. And so you're going to speak to Mr. Singh, whom we represented recently, and we succeeded in this asylum before the immigration judge. So welcome, Mr. Singh. How are you?
I'm good, bro. I'm
All
good.
right. So you have seen a lot of hard days in America, right?
Yeah, I know.
And the question is that now you went before the immigration judge
Yeah,
and you passed. I mean, you succeeded,
yeah.
and your asylum application was approved by the immigration judge. How do you feel?
I'm very happy. I'm very happy.
How was life with you before that? Were you very scared before you went?
Yeah, before I was scared, now I'm very feeling good now.
Now you're relieved about
Yeah.
everything and all that
Yes.
stuff. So now, you know you had a difficult case.
Yeah, I know.
Do you think it's good when people study hard, they do their homework properly, and they should be prepared according to you when they go to the judge? Did you prepare very well? How did you prepare?
Thanks for Mr. Gahey. He too much hardly work for my case. Thanks for Mr. Gahey.
And folks, what we did in this case is that we prepared Mr. Singh in his native language, and we ensured the fact that he had a translator present, and we ensured the fact that he was very well prepared. And thanks to our attorney Monica Esmeralda, who did a fantastic job with our firm in helping Mr. Singh to litigate this case before the immigration court. And this case had quite a few bumps. And Mr. Singh has also been in jail in the past.
Yeah.
आप जेल में भी थे.
हाँ जी, जेल में.
And he was in jail, and he got out on bond, and after that he seen an immigration judge, and the case went on for nearly 2 years. 2 साल चले.
2 साल, हाँ जी, 2 साल.
Okay, the case went on for nearly 2 years, and after that, after a lot of paperwork and after submitting a lot of evidence, and after Mr. Singh testified, the good news is that Mr. Singh has succeeded in getting asylum in the United States. So Mr. Singh, what is your message to the viewers about our law firm? Were you happy with the work we did? What would you like to say about Monica and your complete analysis?
Yeah, thanks for first Mr. Gahey and all team. He did good work, hardly work for my case. Everything thanks for Mr. Gahey.
All right. So Mr. Singh has expressed that he's very happy to be having his asylum application granted. So viewers, ultimately it's very important that you should try your best in every single case. And in this case, we really worked very hard because initially we did not have a lot of evidence, but after that, I mean, Mr. Singh and the firm worked very hard. We were able to get the court the evidence which was required in accordance with Section 208 of the Immigration and Nationality Act, wherein people are eligible to apply for political asylum. And after listening to the evidence, reviewing the complete record in the case, the good news is that Mr. Singh has been granted political asylum in the United States. If you or if any of your friends have a complicated immigration matter, as you can see, this is a live example of what we do in the courtroom for you, what the attorneys of Gehi and Associates do for you in the courtroom. We fight your case, we litigate, and we try our best to see that we succeed in your case. And even if you have an asylum matter, a deportation matter, a complex immigration matter, a federal immigration matter, or an H-1B related complex issue, perm labor certification, or even if you have been detained by immigration, and if you or your relative is trying to obtain an immigration bond or get out on parole, the attorneys at Gehi and Associates will be glad to help you. And now Mr. Singh will also be having a Hindi and a Punjabi version of this particular segment for people who are interested in watching that part of it. So Mr. Singh, thank you very much.
Thank you,
And
sir.
now we'll be talking in Punjabi for the benefit of our viewers who have come here and who like to know about how the entire asylum process works.
Thank
So we'll be back again with your viewers with some more interesting news from law. And we had Mr. Singh here today, who has been successful in his asylum case. This is Attorney Naresh Gehi. We'll be back again with our viewers with some more interesting news from the world of law.
Gehi and Associates, attorneys and counselors at law. For all of your immigration matters, call 1-877-GEHI-LAW for a free personal consultation. 1-877-GEHI-LAW.